This is Norway. It's Geilo. We are going from the mountains down to the sea. Now we are up here in the mountains somewhere. Or we are coming from more longer up in the mountains, because here is much forest, as we see here. In the mountains is not that big forest. There is only stones and snow and rivers like that. So now we are going to the coastline. Sorry I didn't take video up there because there was very bad weather. It was foggy, very much foggy, and I came from Bergen and there was very much rain and foggy. But now we are going to Oslo, and in Oslo and here in the south it's much better weather here in the south of Norway. Today is warm here, August 8th. It shall be 30 degrees, which is very good for Norway. In the autumn, it's not autumn, it's summer, but this is not so far away to the autumn. Autumn is coming in September, so we can say it's still summer in Norway, August. As you can see here is very much forest. By the train, I'm going with the train, so it's not so good scenery because of these big trees everywhere. I wish they could take away some of all these trees here along the train, so we can have a good view. Oh, here's good. Nice. This is nice. I remember we are going from Geilo, if you see, Giailo, Geilo, which is a very famous winter sport place for skiing and slalom and alpine. Very much small farmers you can see here up. It's 3 hours before Oslo.
Og om 5 til 6 minutter, avstigning venstre side. We will arrive at all in about 5 to 6 minutes. Platform on the left.
All, we are coming to all. Little place. Many places up here. People are living. You can see they have farm here. I think they have cow and sheep. Maybe goats, I'm not sure. Here you see very big farm, green still, very green. Oh, soon I think we are arriving all. The old road here by the lake. There's very much trees here in Norway. Very, very much trees here in the south. And on the west coast also. A camping place, I think. Here is a camping place.